Greetings! Today we will make incredibly tasty cheese pasta while spending a minimum of time. 2 tablespoons vegetable oil low heat. Spread the oil over the pan with a brush. Pour the raw pasta into the pan. Stir it over low heat for 2 minutes. Pour 350 milliliters of milk. It can be preheated. Nothing forbids you to use water instead of milk, but believe me, the taste is more delicate with milk. Close the lid and let cook over low heat for 10 minutes. Close the lid and let cook over low heat for 10 minutes. Next step, add a spreadable wedge or equivalent. It will add an incredible rich taste to our dish. Now it's time to add some spices. Oregano, basil, salt and pepper to taste. Stir it well. Tell us what city and country you are watching this recipe from, so that I can say hello to you in the next videos. If required, add some more milk. Our dish is almost ready, just a few more minutes. At the end, let's add grated cheese and squeezed garlic on top, 1 to 2 cloves. This step is optional. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. This is very important for the growing of the channel. Just look at this incredibly tasty plate of cheesy happiness. This recipe is so delicious that all of my family will empty this plate in a minute. Thanks for watching.